OFM Sport.
Dion, a couple of days past Friday night's game, and a person doesn't want to nitpick too much into their performance anymore. A person wants to look forward to another, what's going to be an important game coming up. But where do you feel that perhaps you guys fell a bit short on Friday night?
Morgan, obviously we discussed it with the team. We knew the onslaught that would come for the first 20 minutes. We are under no illusion that we didn't handle that well. It hurts. It hurts that we didn't handle that well. It hurts us that we disappointed our fans with the way that the game ended. In saying that, obviously after the first half, we went into the change room. We made some changes, some tactical changes, and then we came out and we had a very good second half. Again, I don't think we lost it. I just think we ran out of time.
Do you feel that there's room for the intensity in the second half, as you mentioned, looked a lot better, but it definitely wasn't at that level that you guys had against Racing a few months prior in Paris? There was almost a benchmark that you guys did set for yourself. So this is a fantastic opportunity for you guys to go to Potch and just raise that intensity against a team that's going to be determined to want to set things straight a little bit after their performance in Kimberley.
Yeah, definitely. We just to put it into perspective a bit, we came back from racing and we discussed where we wanted to go with the team. Now, obviously, in the Free State, we want to be known as the hardest working team on and off the field. So we started working very hard off the field, and then that takes time. It takes time for that to transfer to the field. So yes, definitely for this weekend, it's going to be a tough match. I mean, I was at Potch and I have played at Ulin Park, and it's a difficult place to go to. Like you said, it's a team that want to redeem themselves after the game. And Ian McKeegan once said, the most dangerous Springbok is a wounded one. And obviously the most dangerous South African is a wounded one. So we will definitely not go to Potch under the illusion that it's going to be easy. But yes, there is some stuff that we need to rectify, and we will do that.
How do you prepare for a team like this? They're an incredibly young team. A couple of those boys still play young guns in the Varsity Cup. That tells you how young they are. They're wounded. They've got some really good players. But this is about you guys showing that you're as good as a team that you're on paper.
Definitely. I think the main thing for us this week is to concentrate on us and to fix the stuff that we need to fix. And I think that is the best way for us to prepare against a team like that. If you look at yourself first, then you will definitely pitch for the game, number one. And for us, it's not really against who we play. It's obviously how we play.